welcome po sa bago kong video. At ang vlog po namin ngayon is Sweet River! So guys, ito na po, lumalakad na po kaming lahat.
Where should we run to? We got the road in our hands, so we're ready to play.
Nahihiya yung may-ari ng channel.
I got the keys to the cause I got the keys. Don't wanna wake up one day and take some more. That's what we're here for. Don't wanna wake up one day, wonder where did I go? We'll be home before we know. I wanna hear you singing. Mama, don't stress your mind. We coming.
My name is Joanna.
Welcome to Ripaw River! Hanap kami ng kahoy para po magluluto kami ng aming tanghalian.
Hoy! Mga bunganga nyo! Tahiin nyo! Natutulog ako! Nagising ako sa bunganga nyo!
So guys, magulo. Huwag yun na pong matagalin. Subscribe na po. Na! Notification bell pa guys pala. Like! And comment! My goodness, comment. Ano pa gusto nyo pong vlog, challenge, comment nyo lang po. So guys, nalagay na po namin ang aming nilulutong kanin. So guys, parang wala pong umaapoy.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys. Kainan na po namin guys. Charot. So guys, before we eat, charot. Bago po kami kain guys.
Magpa-pray si B.
Hindi totoo yan.
Ay, hindi ako.
Yes.
Oy, naka-start na.
Sige na, prayer na.
Pray na. Go na.
Sige, kanya-kanyang pray na lang po. Kasi sige.
Oy, nay lang, day.
So guys, kain tayo guys. So guys, this time guys, magkakape po kami guys.
Maganda talaga magkape pag sa tubig.
Kaya sila mo na natin guys, sobrang init kasi guys. Kaya natin dito guys sa may.
Tome, mana, nan, karana. Bagi ulan. Challenge po.
Baby, lay on back and relax. Kick your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Let's enjoy right here where we at. Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time.
So guys, dito po nagwawakas ang aming video guys. Guys, huwag niyo po makalimutan mag-subscribe and mag-click po ng notification bell para updated po kayo sa aming bagong videos. And guys, gusto niyo rin po mag-like.